Testament. One is Jesus the only way to heaven? So the answer to that one is yes. Jesus is the way, the truth, and the life. No one goes to the Father before him. So that means no one goes to heaven without going through Jesus. Uh, Now, there are a couple of points on this. Jesus may choose to reveal the Father to you early, or he may not. And this is something that a lot of people get confused on. They say, well, wait a minute. That means that uh, Jesus picks the people that go to heaven. They say he calls only certain people, and the rest of us are just left to hell. And that's wrong. That's a bad belief. A lot of people get that, and they distort the Bible to mean things like, well, Jesus only selects a certain few, whether they call them like his chosen or elect, or people get it out of Romans or John, and they say, yeah, Jesus only calls certain people, or many are called, but few are chosen. So yeah, we're all called, but only a few chosen get to go to heaven. And that's simply wrong. That's a false belief. Uh, like I said, Jesus answered, so he is the way, the truth, and the life. That's in John 14:6. And he is the only way to heaven, but it's open to all of us. And how do we know this? For God so loved the world that he gave his only son, that in John 3:16, for whoever believes in him shall not perish, but have eternal life. It doesn't say for those who believe. It says for whoever believes. That means anyone can. Jesus is waiting to enter everybody's life out there. Revelation says he stands at the door and knocks to come in. And what will you do when you open the door? What will he do? He will come in, and it says he will eat with that person. But what does that mean? Eating means it will break bread. And if we go further back, what does breaking bread mean? If you gather and break bread with someone, you are truly a part of them. You guys are becoming one. You are becoming part of his body. And if you take that to communion, breaking bread, eating his flesh through communion, I mean, the correlation keeps going on and on. And so by doing that, by accepting him and inviting him in, you are going to heaven. He is waiting to enter every single life out there. It's not simply a chosen few.